Zeo Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Wadikar Omkar. I am a first year student in Civil Branch from Jhil College of Engineering and Research, Pune. I have created this project together with my teammates. Also, we were guided by Professor Puneet Anand sir. Now, our project is subsurface construction. Now, the outline. What goes underground? Why go underground? How is the underground built? Where and problems encountered? Where do gas mitigated? Filters and fully designed homes. Basic protection from enemies and enemies. Partially modified for added protection and comfort, built to drawings and specific mining operations, open press transiting under mines, exploiting depth and reducing environmental footprints, packaged and bulk materials, silo, bunker storage, gold, gleaners, orc, warehousing, often and converted space. Now the critical infrastructure, secure sites with network wide access, health, cooling, communication, data transfer, freshwater, transport, power, etc. Research facility, worldwide many underground research, laboratory characterized, physics, geo, bioscience, engineering research, and educating training. Urban conjugations, go underground to avoid raw pavement, buried infrastructure, basements and foundations, surface contaminations, right way to interruptions, minimize surface descriptions.
Create a green space. The Central Artery or Tunnel project will create more than 300 acres and restore open space, including over 45 parks and major public plazas. Protection. No damage to the underground shopping mall located below as shown in figure. How is underground built? Methods for underground construction. First, cut and cover methods in open excavation. Second, cut and cover method between the earth retaining walls with lowering of groundwater levels. Third, cut and cover method between earth retaining walls without lowering of the groundwater levels. Fourth, wall and proof method. Third, pneumatic caction method. Fourth, immersed tunnel method. 7, bore tunnel method and top down method. Excavation by tunneling bore machine. Shield TBM involve the following activities: excavation and support of working shafts, excavation and support of undercut and tail tunnel, excavation of the tunnel itself, disposal of soil from the tunnel face, hosting the soil to the ground level, lining the tunnel, extending service and rail tracks, excavation and support of removable shaft, excavation in dry soils, excavation in rocks. Blasting. The person in charge of blasting shall be the last to leave the blast area. Shall we see that no one remains in the blast area and shall operate the sectioning switches in the firing line while proceeding out of the blast area. No person shall enter the tunnel blast area until the ventilation system has cleared the heading of harmful gases, smoke and dust. After each blast, the underground supports in the blast area shall be inspected and secured as the necessary work is resumed. Rock surface shall be provided with the shorting, brassing, rock bolts, shotcrete or chain link fabric before mucking it start. Rock bolts within 100 feet 30.4 meter of blasting shall be tested after each blast before drilling for the next ground beings. The mulch piles shall be wet down prior to and kept wet during operations.
Some ground improvement option: freezing to stabilize the ground and preserve the water table, grouting to stabilize the ground and render it watertight. Drill rod. Step 1. Pre-drilling compaction grouting hole to desired depth. Compaction ground casting. Step 2. Insert compaction grout casing in pre-drilling hole. Casing. Step 3. Being pumping low slump compaction ground mix in stages and withdraw at controlled rate. Casing. Step 4. Withdraw casing at stages are complete until the hole is complete. Some ground support system: steel arches, cast iron segment, rock bolt and steel channel, shortcut, precast concrete segment, integrated waterproofing. Ground surprises: geomaterial properties vary in the time, strength, loads, deformation. Sometimes in engineering process fail to account from the impact of geo variability on Design structures surrounding structures. Fracture rock subject to stress and gravity. Observe at the engineering scale rock is rarely solid. A hard rock mass may contain weak clays or even voids. Changing groundwater condition. High water pressure complicates Arrowhead Tunnel. In studying the regional geology, putting the site in context, benefit from the experience of other, same rocks, same needs. Much of the early work can be done from behind the desk.
In scoping the site investigation SI, mixed scale data sets, experience needed, field investigation like explosive geophysics, boreholes, testings like field lab needed. Second point, characterizing subsurface site, 3D geomodels from CMS to KMS. Second point, conditions, dry, damp, wet, hard, massive, blocky soil, etc. Now, third point, behaviors, traveling, running, flowering, quizzing, etc. Now, fourth point, deciding between options, siting, design, construction. Now, the another point, design and specify for geodiversity, plan for variations like geologics. Second point, uncertainties, design and construction changes. Now, the last point of the topic, conclusion. First point, what goes underground? Pretty much anything could be placed on subsurface. Second point, why go underground? Tunnels provide safe, environmentally sound, fast and pervasive urban mass transit system. Third point, where are problems if countered underground? Same old problems, no foolproof solution. Fourth point, why do exist get mitigated? Options, opportunities for risk management are there, they need to be sized. Thank you.